In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change or add your interest topics on Substack. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you wish to see feeds or posts from certain categories or area of life or influence, you can go ahead and set this under your interest. To do this, go ahead and log into your Substack account and then go to your profile icon up here, and under it, go to settings. Under settings, you should see we have this option called manage interests. If you tap on it, you can see various topics that you can choose from. If you are interested in sports, you can choose this to add to your interest. If you're interested in news, if you're interested in beauty, you can choose. If you're interested in music, faith, and spirituality, you can do so. If you're interested in science, just go ahead and tap on it and then choose the subtopic. For instance, life science, engineering, go ahead and choose them. So you can overall also just tap on the overall science to make sure that you like these topics, and you can also go ahead and choose other topics that you are interested in and just like them depending on the subcategories and the general categories. So that's how you can change or choose your interests on Substack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.